that offers great rides, authentic food, and a great place to cool off at Laguna Splash Water Park. Let's go to our friend Amy as she takes you through the park.
Well, hello and welcome to DelGrosso's Park, the home of family fun and famous food. I'm Amy Markle, the Director of Marketing, and I'd like to give you a tour and show you what we're all about. So it's a warm, sunny day. Let's start at the water. This is Laguna Splash. It's our Italian-themed water park here at DelGrosso's. You see the Leaning Tower of Pisa, which is a fun play structure for folks here. We have Bambini Cove, where there's a gondola slide for our little friends. The River Lazio, or the Lazy River as we call it, is 16 feet wide. 8 feet of that is the lazy part, where you can just be on your raft and enjoy your trip around the river. The other 8 feet has some interactive water features, some slap paddles and sprayers. Then our new wave pool, the Wave Oceano, 330,000 gallons of water, and it has wave cycles. So for 7 minutes, you can pretend like you're in the ocean, and then for 10 minutes, it's all relaxed and you have a big pool that you can cool off in. Those features were added to our existing water park. We have an awesome play structure that has a huge tipping bucket. Everybody loves to stand under that and get the big splash from the bucket, plus 5 speed slides. So if you really like to be a little bit of a daredevil and enjoy the slides, we have those for you too. We're now on the ride side of our park that features over 30 rides and attractions, including some great games that you'll want to try to play to win some great prizes. The Herschel Spielman Carousel is in the heart and center of our park. It features hand-carved horses with real horse tails, and that's good for the riders who like to stay low to the ground. For those who like to have the thrill and see a great view of the park, our Extreme Tower will give you both of those, a great view and an awesome drop, as well as our Rockstar, where you can see great views and get a fun ride as well. We have our Kids Kingdom area for our smaller friends. Those are the rides that the kids can go on and mom and dad can stand and wave and just enjoy the views and take lots of great pictures. DelGrosso's Park is known for its famous food because it's homemade every day, and that's what makes it so delicious. The fan favorite at the park, Park Pizza, featuring Del Grosso pizza sauce. And another park favorite is Murph's famous potato salad, and it's made fresh in Murph's kitchen every morning at the park.
We constantly strive to give the best food at the amusement park. Everything is homemade, and if it doesn't pass our taste test, it generally doesn't go, and we work really hard to provide the best food of any amusement park.
The park also serves Sloppy Joes featuring Del Grosso Sloppy Joe sauce, and the Italian sausages that are served at the park are a homemade Italian sausage recipe from the Del Grosso family. And don't forget about stopping by Pasta Fresca, our pasta house, where you get to choose your pasta, your vegetables, your meat, and the Del Grosso sauce you like on top of it. Buddy Bear, our park mascot, and I hope you can get your favorite buddies and come visit us here at DelGrosso's this summer season. You can find great coupons online all the time, and there's so many fun things to do and see here in Blair County. Make it an overnight or a whole weekend trip by visiting explorealtoona.com. We'll see you soon. Right, buddy?